Welcome, this is Jack, and today I'm gonna show you a CNC router that working area is 1325 with a rotary axis along the side, and the spindle is 4.5 kilowatts water coolant with 6-zone vacuum table. And here is the vacuum pump. It's a 7.5 kilowatt vacuum pump. I'll show you the back of the machine, alright? Today we're gonna do a final test of this machine, then this machine is ready to release. Yeah, here is the control unit. You can see here. This is the DSP that produced by the Rich Auto. I'll show you inside of the control unit. The Flint inverter along with the Schneider electronic components. And here is the Lishan motor drive. This machine is compete with the Lishan hyperdrive. And all of our bearings all has the label on them, so you know which line is going where. And that's about it. You can see here on the control panel, we have a switch here. This switch is used to switch the limits of the flat table and the rotary axis limits. I'll show you. Right now the switch is on the working table. So we power on the machine and the system is loading. And we'll try to re-zero all the access. You can see the rotary axis is zeroing now. And XYZ is all at the working table, machine coordinates 0. And now I'm gonna switch the limit switch to the rotary. Now we move the machine far away from the limits. X as well. And we're gonna hold the axis. Okay, now the machine is homed at the rotary axis home coordinates. So right now you can working on the rotary axis.